Because we are not. I know this seems a lot like Minecraft, but in reality, it is not, since that's not the sound that torches do when they break. And grass is not usually like this. This is teardown, not Minecraft. And we just found a iron hoe. But who cares about iron hoes, because all that everyone cares about is the diamonds, which we are going to sadly smash. How did it not smash? This diamond is not breakable. Okay, the diamond will need to survive a C4 at full power. No way that the diamond will survive. Literally no chance. Actually, the C4 will be on. Okay, let's watch from above, because this might be dangerous. Where's the diamond? What? I know diamonds are the strongest material on Earth, and probably in Minecraft, unless you count obsidian and netherite and bedrock. But in tools, then diamond is the strongest, except for netherite in Minecraft. It makes sense, as this is literally not breakable. What? I did not expect that to happen, did I? Oh. Okay, we are dead, not the diamond. Well, okay, where's the explosion? We need to kill that diamond. Where's that diamond? We need to kill it. I'm pretty sure the diamond is over here. Somewhere. Diamond! The diamond can break grass. But it can't break stone. Okay. Now, the diamond really made me mad. So, we're gonna put it through a disintegrator. What? This is not possible. No, it's not possible. This is not possible. The diamond survived a disintegrator. This should not even exist. So what is the disintegrator doing? Is it weak? Is it weaker or something? Anyways, the disintegrator needs to stop doing it close to the ground, as it will not end well. I said stop to the ground. It's never gonna stop doing this to the ground, is it? Okay, did it finally stop? No. Where's that diamond? Did the diamond get destroyed? No way. Well, anyways, how do you launch this nuke? Black hole. Can it destroy a cow? Multiple black holes. Can it destroy a house? I don't think we even know what's going on anymore. I'm just really stuck. I guess there's only one way out of here. And I didn't want for it to come to this. But for 105 meters on each of the towers. well, just on that tower. And then a bajillion cluster bombs. And then a bit of napalm. Which is fine. Now time to... Oh no, what's happening? What is happening? What is happening here? Where are we? In the fire. We need to get out. Where is it? Barbicle, help! Barbicle. Actually, you saved me, Barbicle. And what happened? Everything is just being eaten. Okay, let's try again. But we seriously need to destroy the castle. If we don't, then the video ends early. And there won't be a series on this. But if we do somehow destroy this castle, then there will be a series on this. Okay, so we destroyed a bit of the castle, but this is not enough. So we need to hide in our house as a firefighter, and then close the door, and then no, 2, 4. Attack. Oh no, that won't help. Oh yeah, airstrike. We need to send napalm. Fire. Now acid. Send acid to the entire castle. Including to us. Okay, acid was trash. We're not never using acid again. We're gonna use for 105 meters. The 105 meters are way better. 105 meters will destroy it way easier. Napalm is destroying that over there, while the 105 meters are destroying everything, including the chest which had the diamond. And we probably destroyed the diamond too. Anyway, it's time to send a few cluster bombs! Yay! Now we're ending the castle's life. And our life. Because we live over there. And that's getting a ton of bombs. Did all the clusters rain down and do basically nothing? No, the cluster did something. We're probably not going to destroy the castle in this video. So we're going to make it just absolute oblivion. And then next video, we'll try to destroy it completely again. Now that everything is like a better graphics, just kidding, we're going to start destroying this tower. And it's going pretty well. But the tower's not doing very well. Because it's getting absolutely annihilated. joking. Just look at that tower. It's 105 meters. Is that for 105 meter? Yeah, that's for 105 meter. I mean 105 millimeter. Now this didn't do enough. So you're gonna send cluster bombs. That might do the job. We're not only destroying the castle, but also our hub. Because our castle is getting destroyed and our home is literally looks like asteroids came through it. Now we are going down. And yep, we are literally in danger. We should probably do something about that and not just watch all the explosions, like putting out the fire. What's in there? Is there diamond in there? We need to save all our stuff. Is the diamond okay? A diamond has to be okay. No. Open the chest. Don't open the chest. Is that the diamond getting shot by water? And now I'm pretty sure we're trying to get up to this chest. Oh, we clicked through it. Good. I don't think it's now a good idea to go upstairs. You know what? We're going upstairs. And... oh no, and there's a literal hole in the ceiling. But anyways, we're probably not going to be able to fix this, so let's just fly out and watch the damage on the castle. Yep, I think the castle got destroyed. It's safe to say the castle is dead. And by castle I mean Vista. No, don't use your firefighter on the castle. No, we're gonna put the fire out on. We are going to try to fly into the sky as far as possible and then just drop down and watch the live. How far are we? Let's just shoot water down, just to see how far. Yes, we are very far. Now time to fall. Why are we not falling? Why do I not see any difference?